Hey, it's Julie Kalen, your voice of happiness. And today I wanted to share a quick happiness tip with you. Before I do that, though, if you're new to my YouTube channel, definitely please do check it out. I post everything from happiness videos, happiness tips, to everything from nature videos, animal videos, various music and voiceovers that I've recorded. And it's all designed to help you live a happier life and to make you smile. So please do enjoy. All right, so today I'm going to talk about my happiness tip, which is stop trying to be happy. Yes, seriously, I said it. Stop trying to be happy because so many people treat happiness like a finish line that you can only cross after running a long, hard race. And after you've crossed off and checked off a bunch of check boxes on the journey of life, ranging from everything from relationship status or career accomplishments or amount of money made or whatever, what have you. But in reality, happiness is not a series of check boxes or a constant state of euphoria. In reality, happiness is contentment with what is. It is peace in the now. It is something that you can achieve every day of your life, no matter what is going on. It is the ability to be okay even when life isn't perfect, right? Happiness is so much deeper than that state of euphoria. It could be found in the highs and in the lows, right? It can be found everywhere. And don't keep searching for that next big high, right? Because then you will miss the happiness and peace and contentment in all the small present moments of your right now. So, what could we find contentment and happiness in? Write it in the comments. Some of my favorites are a smile from a friend or a smile from a stranger, right? The taste of your morning cup of coffee, or I love chocolate even more. So small joys that bring you happiness and peace and contentment. 10 seconds of silence, right? When you've had a crazy busy day, but just like laying down at night and you have a few seconds of peace and silence, and you're like, oh, this is beautiful. This is what I needed, right? Or just 10 seconds of silence whenever you have a break in your crazy busy day. How about listening to your favorite song, right? And you can do that anytime. So these are just some of my few favorite ideas and ways that I grab little snacks of happiness throughout the day. So, what are some of your favorites? Write them in the comments. What are your favorite happiness snacks throughout the day, or contentment areas in your life, right? Ways that you find simple peace and simple joy in the present and in the now without having to constantly chase happiness and search for it and aim for it. Because if you do that, you are going to miss all of the joy right now and the simple joys. And I don't want you to do that, because the simple joys are what makes life worth living and what brings true fulfillment in a life, in my opinion, right? So look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video. And until the next video, I am wishing you much happiness or contentment, right? And joy. All right. See you in the next video.